it's not exactly the best light, but sorry, I should have gotten a little bit more comfortable beforehand, but I should bring this closer actually. Sorry, I'm visually impaired. This is awkward. There we go. Still should have better lighting, I think. But today was a good day. There's lots of snow outside. Well, a decent amount. But for about 20-25 minutes, there was this really loud, blaring fire alarm going off at like 6:30, 7 o'clock. And because there was a certain smell out in the hall, on my hall, I'm on the main floor. I was told that the fire department would be coming into each of the units in my hall. Every last one of us that are renting a unit, not the and even the empty ones, just to check. But so I left my door unlocked, figuring they're gonna want to come in, they're gonna knock, they're gonna want to come and look and make sure it's not coming from me. I checked all 3 of my heaters, I checked everything, nothing seemed to be causing an issue in my apartment. It was freaking my cats out. Chloe was underneath the bed crying miserably. Poor baby, her ears are so sensitive and those fire alarms are so loud. They need to be, don't get me wrong, they need to be, but just oi, oi, oi. But, I'm also found out that through Free Cycle, I'm going to get, one of those, some Christmas stuff. An angel that stands and she has a candle that lights up and I think she moves it. And that'll be a really nice Christmas decoration to add. And if the other person doesn't come that has inquired about it, about the Christmas tree and stuff. I don't need the Christmas tree. I have my Christmas tree. But if they come, they'll probably take like the garland and the lights and the Christmas tree, possibly. Like the lady, at least the angel with the candle and the Christmas manger figurines, she's putting aside for me. So I'm glad for that. I'm hoping to get some of the lights and garland and that, because I could actually use to put a little bit more nice garland on my tree. But otherwise, and lights to put around my kitchen window and then plug in and put around my bedroom window and plug in, so that my place is lit up. And it's become a tradition in my family to get at least one new Christmas ornament for your tree every year. So if I get at least one ornament from this lady, then that'll be my ornament. And if not, if no one else is around, I'll grab some different ornaments and add them to my tree. Find room for them. But yeah, I've reorganized my place, and in this video you can see I'm sitting on my couch. I hope you can tell that. If not, see, couch. The chair that goes with it and the ottoman are in my bedroom, so that if I'm watching TV in my bedroom, I can not be on my bed and watching TV, I can be in the chair. Because my sleep apnea and that they don't want me doing anything but sleeping in my bed. So, but as some people are learning, I am not going to Gravenhurst for Christmas after all. I have my reasons, but I'm going to stay in Hamilton and go around the corner from here where I live to my Aunt Lori and Uncle Manny's on Christmas Day. And I may spend Christmas Eve over there and sleep over. Not sure yet. My one cat, Chloe, who just cracked her one eye open at me a little, is sleeping on top of my bookshelf with her chin hanging just off. So I had to move I have these 3 little teddy bear figurines. And one is about yay big, and the next one's a little bit smaller and a little bit smaller. Kind of like the 3 bears. And I had them up there, and little monkey knocked them down. Lucky they fell onto the first or second shelf. I can't remember which one it was now. And no damage to them. And she knocked over 2 picture frames with pictures. She's a monkey. But I love her. And if that's where she feels safe, then I'll let her be. She likes high places. I went and put the cat tree beside my one cabinet, which is beside the bookshelf. So therefore she climbs onto the cat tree, then onto the cabinet, which she loved laying on the cabinet, and now she goes on up onto the bookshelf and lays up there. Oh, it looks weird. Part of it is my scar. See, that one's healing nicely. This one will be a year old. That surgery scar will be a year old on March 31st. This one will be a year old, not this Thursday, but the next, on the 21st. Because I had this December 21st, 2016. Last Christmas. 4 days before Christmas. I'm not sure how long this video is, but yeah, I've got a new TV, 50-inch, on a stand. I've got a wonderful TV that's in my bedroom that I got as an early Christmas present that I absolutely adore from my Aunt Wendy, Uncle Mike, and Mom and Sister Sandra. And 2 things that I'm hoping to get for Christmas are the kitty stockings for my 2 cats. Sometime in the new year, I'm going to start getting dog treats. Well, not treats. The dog bowls, dishes for the dog, and stuff like that, so that I don't have to get things last minute when I end up getting my service dog. But I sent off an email to see if it's going to be possibly within a year, or if it's going to be over a year, or 2 years or so. Approximately. Because I know they can't give me a guarantee. Because the next step after this, the application, which was sent in and they confirmed they have it about a month or so ago, is someone will come in and talk to me and visit with me in my home. So that'll work out well. And that's another reason that I'm trying to continue to get rid of things that I don't need and organize the stuff that I do have. Because my legs are being worse and worse, so I need to be able to take my chair more around the apartment. And it's a wheelchair accessible apartment, so should be able to. So I will try and do a video at least every second day. I was doing live streaming, but it echoes, and I don't think people are understanding me very well. That's why they're not watching it. So I don't think I'm going to do as many live streams, but I'll try every second to third day at least to make a video so that everyone can check out my videos and keep things up to date. Oh, you may notice that I have new glasses. My prescription changed very greatly, and they're purple. I've lost more of my vision, but I can still see enough to use my power chair, and these glasses here actually help a lot with my central vision, which I'm really, really thankful for. Well, I will talk to you later. Peace out. Much love. Have a happy holiday, or just have a good break if you don't celebrate Christmas or that. Just have a good winter break and take care and enjoy yourselves. Peace out.